Hi, I'm Matt from Panther. Panther has partnered with GreyNoise to provide integrated threat intelligence to all Panther customers through out-of-the-box data enrichment. With this integration, security teams can stay focused on critical alerts and reduce alert fatigue by ruling out internet background noise in their detection and alerting logic. In this video, I'm going to give you a tour of the integration in the Panther console and walk you through how to incorporate GreyNoise with Panther detections. Let's start in the Panther console. I am currently logged in as a console user with the admin role. In order to use GreyNoise Enrichment, you must first enable the GreyNoise package in the Panther console. In the left sidebar, click Build. In the drop-down menu, click Packs. On the entry for GreyNoise Basic, click the toggle to enable the pack. You will see a prompt confirming that you want to enable it. If you currently use CI/CD to manage your detections and want to incorporate GreyNoise Enrichment with your workflow, please reference the Panther documentation for more information on this configuration option. Simultaneous use of both the Panther console and Panther analysis tool to manage GreyNoise is not supported. Click Continue to confirm you want to enable the pack and proceed. Panther offers two packages of GreyNoise threat intelligence, Basic and Advanced. The Basic package, which allows you to determine things like whether an IP is internet background noise or a common business service, is available to all Panther customers at no additional cost. The Advanced package provides expanded intelligence from GreyNoise for advanced filtering and threat hunting. The Advanced package requires a paid GreyNoise subscription to be enabled. Contact your Panther representative to obtain a free trial of the Advanced package. Both the Basic and Advanced packages include GreyNoise's Noise and Riot datasets. The Noise dataset features information from GreyNoise's internet-wide sensor network that passively collects packets from hundreds of thousands of IPs seen scanning the internet every day. GreyNoise analyzes and enriches this data to identify behavior, methods, and intent, giving analysts the context they need to take action. Riot is a GreyNoise dataset that contains IPs used by common business services that are almost certainly not being used to attack your services. Riot enables security practitioners to quickly eliminate logs and events generated from common business services from their security telemetry to quickly rule them out. Panther has also implemented a GreyNoise Python library to enable users to easily incorporate GreyNoise into their detections. Let's take a look at how this looks on an example detection. In the left sidebar, under Build, click Detections. Let's modify our Okta brute force by IP detection to incorporate GreyNoise. On the detection page, click Edit Rule, and then click Functions and Tests. For this rule, I want to modify the alert severity depending on whether GreyNoise reports that the IP is malicious, benign, or unknown. I also want to add a function to display the GreyNoise alert context in our alert destination, if the context is available. First, at the top of the rule function field, I'm going to add a Python command to import the Panther GreyNoise helpers. Then, below that, I'm going to modify the rule function to retrieve the GreyNoise data and create a GreyNoise noise object. Then, I'm going to modify the severity function to determine severity based on whether GreyNoise reports that the IP is malicious or benign. In this example, if GreyNoise indicates that the IP is malicious, the alert will be assigned critical severity. If GreyNoise indicates that the IP is benign, the alert will be assigned low severity. If the IP is not classified as malicious or benign, the alert will be assigned medium severity. Below that, I'm going to add code to provide the contextual noise actor, noise classification, and noise IP address GreyNoise information in the delivered alert. In this example, I'm only pulling information from the basic GreyNoise package. With the advanced package enabled, you can also access GreyNoise tag information, geo-IP metadata, and flags for VPN and Tor indicators. Now I'm going to run tests to confirm that the function is behaving as I intend it to. This first test is against an event enriched by the GreyNoise lookup table in which GreyNoise has identified the IP as malicious. In the output, you can see that the severity was dynamically classified as critical and the GreyNoise alert context was delivered to our alert destination. Now that we've confirmed that this detection rule would function as intended, let's modify it one more time. In this example, I'm going to modify the detection to not raise an alert at all if the IP detected is in GreyNoise's Riot dataset. First, at the top of the function field, I'm going to modify the command to pull the Panther GreyNoise helpers to include GreyNoise Riot objects. Below that, in the rule syntax, I'm going to add code to pull from the GreyNoise Riot dataset and modify the alert based on that data. Using this code, if GreyNoise indicates that the IP is in the Riot dataset and therefore used by a common business service that is unlikely to be an attack vector, then it will not deliver an alert at all. Now I'm going to run another test. In this example, the IP is from a friendly web crawler and within Riot's dataset. I'm going to indicate in the Panther console that this should not deliver an alert. When I run the test, the output indicates that the result was a pass. Due to the IP being within the Riot dataset, an alert was not delivered at all. There are many more enrichment capabilities available in the Panther console and from GreyNoise. To learn more about the Panther console and Panther features, please reference our documentation located at docs.panther.com. Thanks for watching.